What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're testing out and we're dropping these Poetic cases. Here we have the Poetic Revolution series case, and these Poetic cases just launched for the iPhone SE 3, the third generation iPhone SE. They do fit the old generation as well, and the iPhone 8, which is really good. And then so we have the Revolution series, which is this case right here. As you can see, it does come with a kickstand built in. Has some nice bumpers for heavy duty drops. It does have a built-in shield, and then also covers the charging port on the bottom, and then you have holes for the speakers and the microphone, and it also has a nice indentation so your camera doesn't get damaged if you drop it. So Revolution series case. And then we also have this case, which is called the Poetic Neon case. Poetic Neon is a heavy duty case. You can also drop it. It comes in this orange color around the edge and with this black Poetic emblem at the bottom. Also is drop proof, so nothing should happen to your phone. It has been tested, and we're actually going to go outside and test it. And we have a working iPhone SE here. We're gonna put it on and go outside and test it. So quick video. Here's what the Poetic Neon case looks like. Pretty much has covers around the edges, protects your phone, has a hole right here for the silent mode, and this one has an open port and microphone here at the bottom. So now we're gonna go outside and give it a few drops. This one does not have a shield built in, so the drops, I would assume that it will protect drops from sides and backs, not the front. You never know, depending if you drop it on a rock or something like that. It may still protect, but this one is not as thick on the front compared to the other one, which has a thicker layout. So let's go outside and check it out. So here we are, Poetic Neon case, and we're gonna give it a nice drop from facing the back here in the concrete. So as you can see, nothing happened. The phone survived. Now we're gonna give it a side drop. So we're gonna kind of like flick it. Most drops happen from your waist because you're usually walking out of the car, or drop it from pulling out of your pocket. So let's do a side drop now. All right, side drop. It actually fell on his face, but the phone is good, and like I said, these are strong cases, as you can drop it and nothing's gonna happen to your phone. Fell on its face again, nothing happened. So let's test out the Revolution series. And we're back. iPhone SE 3, SE 2, pretty much with the Revolution series case from Poetic. You get the kickstand, you get a heavier duty case, and then this one we can actually drop it in many other ways and nothing's gonna happen to it. And we're back, guys. Two Poetic cases, the Poetic Neon and the Poetic Revolution. As you can see, nothing happened to the phone. We dropped it a couple times, threw it, nothing happened, not even a scratch. Perfect case for your phone. They actually make these cases for other phones as well. I'll leave the link below I'll leave the link below. So hopefully this video helps you out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.